Welcome back to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how it's shaping our future. Ready to explore how to get rich with AI in 2023? Let's dive in. AI is no longer a distant dream. It's here, revolutionizing everything from farming to fine arts. But what makes AI different? Unlike other technological advancements, AI productizes something unique to humans: skill. And with tools like ChatGPT, it's now accessible to all. Let's explore how AI is transforming our world.
Defeated Sunrisers Hyderabad by 72 runs in the first match, while Royal Challengers Bangalore
Ever heard of Moore's Law? It's the reason why computer power grows exponentially. Pair this growth with self-learning AI models, and the possibilities are endless. But remember, we humans are the biggest bottleneck. Let's see how AI is evolving.
We're all scared that a bad guy could grab it.
AI's power brings tremendous opportunities and challenges.
What makes the difference is to have sound regulatory frameworks that will protect privacy.
How will AI be governed? Can robots really kill humans? These questions are vital as we navigate this new frontier. Let's delve into the ethics of AI.
This is kind of fake news on steroids, potentially. We do not know of a case yet where someone has tried to use this to perpetrate.
Autonomous tractors make the most of sometimes short weather windows and can extend the working day to a full 24 hours.
Let's talk real-world application. AI's impact is clear, and it's here to stay. Some will be replaced, but if you know how to use AI, you can become more valuable than ever before. Let's explore the industries transformed by AI.
The feature that Zach's talking about here is actually called person detection, and it's now available through the Video Intelligence API.
We just created this in just 2 minutes.
Who's on AI's chopping block? You might be surprised. From fine arts to medicine, AI is beating humans in areas once thought uniquely human.
I'm writing a story on artificial intelligence and journalism. Can you help?
You can import historical chess game records of famous chess players. Chess.evo can quickly train AIs that match the chess style and skill level of these players.
Let's see who's at risk and who's thriving. AI's personalized touch could revolutionize entertainment and more.
Plus store that apparently lets you buy all the groceries without having to meet any cashier, having to go through any staff member. Apparently it's all powered by artificial intelligence.
But it's not all rosy. Many will be replaced.
New technology is moving at warp speeds. Alarm bells over the latest form of artificial intelligence, generative AI.
Adaptation and leveraging AI is key. Let's explore the workforce of the future. Want to make money with AI? Opportunities are emerging. AI provides unlimited leverage, transforming how we do business. Let's explore the golden opportunities waiting for you. Here are 3 ways to cash in on AI: agency, content creation, and consulting. From communication to creativity, AI is your new best friend in business. Let's dive into these exciting avenues. It's time to capitalize on your uniquely human qualities.
Hey Alexa, I have 6 of my son's friends coming over. 2 are lactose intolerant. 1 is vegan. I'd like them to eat a little healthier.
Emotional intelligence, or EI, is a critical factor in creating and maintaining satisfying customer relationships.
Foster relationships and use AI's leverage to succeed. Let's explore how to thrive in an AI-driven world. The golden opportunity is here. Will you seize it or be decimated by it? The choice is yours, but the tools are ready and waiting. Let's embrace the future together. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to AI Tools, your survival kit, for more exciting content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.